Were there any quality or measurement problems, or how to show traceability for every single measurement for any part number or serial number that you have on any of your machines in Apollo? A problem often is that measurement results are stored in individual files or network folders, and that finding specific measurements with problems or evaluating rejects is time consuming. Also, sometimes traceability would be needed to prove that when you measured a certain part, everything was all right with your machine. So this is how you can do a solution in Apollo for that. So we see here in the program overview all programs that were or are executed on any of your machines as cards, and we can see it as a table view here in the bottom. And when we want to see details about a certain program, then we click onto the card to get into the program detail view, where we see more information, and especially here all routines or executions that were performed for this program on this machine. And here we could not only take a look at the measurement results, but we could also go one level deeper to take a look at the exact details of this measurement routine. Here we can see already that the part was obviously okay, and we can also see here that the sensor status was okay. Something that we cannot see here now, but what is important to note is that if the part number or the serial number is given during the measurement, for example in PCDMIS or in Quindos as a measurement software, then this would also appear here, and then you could search for a certain part or serial number that you measured last year in August, for example, to take a look at what actually happened during this measurement. You see here all events that occurred. You can see the measurements and the measurement values, including the limits that were there. You can see or take a look at the touch probes that were used, and here you can also take a look at the sensor statuses of the machine during exactly this measurement. And here we can prove that all the different statuses were in an okay state. So from the temperatures up to the collision status of the machine, everything was fine. And this is how you enable simplified and more efficient quality assurance in Apollo with traceability for historical measurement results and conditions.